Hey guys, so today I'm actually gonna be doing a little vlog for you guys, but it's different because I'm gonna be taking you guys through a butt routine of mine. I got my water here because I'm gonna need it, but I'm actually gonna do the first set with you, and then if you want the whole routine, you're gonna have to replay this video 3 more times because it's 4 sets, everything 14 times. This video was given to me by my trainer. You can go ahead and find him down below in the description. His workouts show results, I'm just saying. So we're gonna be using, like, you have to, every human is different. You should know your level, whether you're at like these bands, the cloth ones, or these, or you need no bands, you know? I'm at this level, light. I can't even do the medium or heavy or the cloth. So know your level. If you got bands, use them. If you don't. And we're gonna use the bands for the workouts we need. So if you want to get a good booty workout in, go ahead and stay tuned. So the first exercise we're gonna do is 14 squats. Like I said, use whatever resistance band you need, or if you're a very beginner, don't use any band. But I'm at this one like a cloth light. And remember, when you're squatting, when you go down, you're putting the weight on your ankles, and when you go up, you're squeezing your butt. Like, if you're about to get whooped as a child and you like make it hurt less type shit, that's how you squeeze it to really get the full effect of the workout. So, anyways, put on your workout band like this. We're gonna do the first rep, 14. Here we go. This doesn't hurt me yet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember, squeezing your butt at the top. And thrusting your hips all the way through. But that was 14. So the next workout, we're gonna go ahead and do pull squats. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some water because I don't want people who are dehydrated passing the fuck out. I don't know. Grab water with me. It's very important because that little movement just definitely raised my heart rate. All right, so now we're gonna do 14 pull squats. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh yeah, 14. Hey, if you need more rest time than I need, go ahead and pause this. But for those of you who are ready, let's go. Sumo squat. So you're bringing your feet out further apart, like a sumo wrestler, like, right? And then with theirs, like you go like this, and then squat, like sumo, like wrestler. Honestly, that's a sumo squat. So we're gonna do 14 of those and begin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh Jesus, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's my calf, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh, tiptoe squats. The fuck? FYI, this is the first time I've done the workout that my trainer sent me. And he'd be low-key killing me. Okay. How the fuck are they? They're like, I think you're just going like that, like tippy-toeing in the squat position. So like pull squats, you're in this position the whole time, kinda. So are tiptoe squats, like that. If I'm not pronouncing the words correctly, forgive me. We're about to start 14 tiptoe squats In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And my 14 was kind of trash, there you go, because I was about to fall. So the next exercises we're gonna do are down on the floor. And the first one we got up is called donkey kicks. You perform them like this, kicking upwards and squeezing your glute when you're bringing your leg up. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna do 14 on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hey, quick child's pose real quick, cause ow. Let's go ahead and move to the next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The next exercise we're gonna do are fire hydrants. Those are like this. So you're kind of imagining a fire hydrant right here and your little doggy like urinating on it. That's kind of like the naming behind it. We're gonna do 14 each leg. Ignore my cat, he just does what he wants. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Quick little child's pose-ish on the legs at least. And we're gonna do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know about you, but I need a break. I'm gonna grab some water and then I'm gonna continue. The next exercise we're gonna do are straight leg pulses. They're like this, and you just pulse your leg up like that, squeezing your glute with each pulse up. 14 each side, so let's get started. I'm like all workout person, shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I'm getting a little cramped. 11, 12, 13, 14. Doesn't that feel great? I can feel my butt grinds. I know you are. Let's go ahead and do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's because I wasn't doing the full range of motion for my foot and it was like, bitch, what the fuck? But anyway, the next exercise we're gonna do are 14 cross mountain climbers each side. Justin, this is our cardio for this workout. Cause who wants a pancita and a stomach? I don't, so you gotta get in that cardio a little bit. All right, so mountain climbers are like this, running. Cross mountain climbers are you cross your legs to each side. So we're gonna do 14 each side. So like 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Because 1 on each side equals 1. And it's only 14, so we got this. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shit, I'm losing count. Fuck, I lost count. We're just gonna do like a lot. We're probably gonna do more than 14. Until it hurts, I guess. Okay. There we go. The next one is gonna be my favorite, glute bridges. This workout really, like, I feel my butt growing when I do it. And we're gonna hold for 20 seconds at the end. Whew, I don't know about you, but I am tired. But good news, because we're on the last workout. We're doing glute bridges with a 20-second hold on the end. Remember, we're just doing 14 of them, so this is gonna be like, we're practically done. But anyways, let's begin. You literally make a bridge with like that, squeezing your glute when you get to the top. So we're gonna do 14, holding for 20 seconds at the end. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. My butt is all weird. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're really supposed to like thrust your hips up. Sometimes I forget. 13, 14, hold it. Really feeling the glute growing action. It's great. Give it some extra love. I can't take myself seriously, okay? And we're down. That was a very tough workout. I am sweating, I don't know about you. You don't need to go to a gym or like outside of your house to sweat and get a good workout. I'm learning that you can like see results from your home. So let me know what you guys think of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps my channel. And let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Once again, I'm coming out with my new course, Mold and Maintain Your Mastermind, kind of summarizing how I went from like very limited mindset to a much bigger one, and like how to like overcome your ego and reality and all self-limiting beliefs essentially. So be on the lookout for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification button. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.